In this video, I'll be showing you how to charge your car battery with a charger. If you don't drive your car more often, or if you don't drive on a regular basis, or maybe you drive it once a week, what you want to do is either you turn your car on for 15 minutes and let the battery charge, or plug a charger to your car battery so it charges. I'm Anas, the founder of Battery Check. In this channel, I cover everything from batteries to gadget repairs. My mission in this channel to help you fix your own gadgets and give you a better battery knowledge. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing now and hit the bell notification below. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Let's get right into it. Alright, let's get to the 5 easy tips on how to charge your car battery. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove your black cable from your negative battery terminal, and second is your red cable from your positive terminal. Second tip that I have for you is to inspect your battery. It comes in two kind of batteries, which is their maintenance free batteries or lead acid batteries. With the lead acid batteries, you can hear them. You can hear the acid in it. What you want to do, you want to open the caps up, or if it has screws, just open it up, see the water level. If it's low, just add distilled water, clean it, and have it ready to charge. I'll show you what you got to do. Now the next battery type is the maintenance free battery. You shake it, you put a hole in it, nothing will come out. All you gotta do to this battery is check the vents on the side of the battery, make sure it's clean. And hey, if you can't open the battery caps, just take them to your mechanic, have him open the caps up, fill it up with distilled water only, and then close the caps again. And guys, so far, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below and I'll make sure I'll answer to every single one of them. Tip number 3, what you want to do before disconnecting your battery, you need a battery memory saver. I have a link for this battery memory saver in the description below, so if you want to check it out, maybe it's only like $10 to $15, I believe. It comes with a 9-volt battery, so before even disconnecting your battery, it comes with the battery also, so just plug the battery in it, and then you'll see a green light. You want to plug it into your cigarette lighter, okay? You plug it in and leave it there. Once you disconnect your battery, charge it once the battery is fully charged. Once you turn your car on, and then disconnect this battery memory saver. That way your radio, your car seats, anything you have, all of your settings will be there. Your computer will not be reset. Alright guys, tip number 4 that I have for you, I'm going to split it into two, A and B. A, if you're leaving your battery in the car and then you want to charge it, what you want to do before you plug your charger into an outlet is take your charger leads with you to the car or to the battery, and put the red one first into the battery cable, and then the negative charger to the negative charger cable, and then plug it into your outlet. That way everything is safe, you're not creating no sparks, nothing will get burned down. And make sure you disconnect if you have any electronics left in the car, such as headphones, a phone, a smartphone, a tablet, a game console. Make sure you take it and disconnect it. That way, who knows, the charger may spark, the charger may go bad, the charger may create anything can happen and damage your electronics. So it's always safe to disconnect them first. Tip number 5 that I have for you is get ready for charging. But before you do that, make sure you have a very high quality charger, because you never know. You get one of these cheap chargers. What if you have a flooded battery? What if you have an AGM battery? What if you have a maintenance free battery? You need a charger that will do all of these things for you. And you need a good charger, and you need a smart charger, and you need a charger that once the battery is fully charged, it will shut off automatically. Now, do I recommend? Yes, I do recommend. What do I recommend? I recommend this charger here. Is basically the Noco 3500. This is not a trickle charger, this is a battery charger. A trickle charger, if you're charging a car battery like that, it may take 3 days because it's less than 1 amp. Okay, motorcycle battery or a lawnmower battery or any sport battery, because it's a very low current charger, so it's not going to charge as fast as this charger. But when you have a big charger like that, you want to charge your battery overnight, you want to wake up in the morning, you want to get in your car and you want to get going. You want to get the small chargers, they won't do it. It may take a couple days for your battery to be fully charged. And don't forget, this charger here, if you have a AGM battery, we'll get the AGM battery modes in it. If you got the flooded battery, you get the flooded battery mode in it. If you got an old school car that has a 6-volt battery, this charger will do it too. Um, and it's very easy, guys. I'll show you the battery. Even if you're new to this charger, if you don't know nothing about this charger, we'll show you everything. We'll show you 25%, 50%, 75%. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger, take it away. That's it, your battery is fully charged, and go ahead and start your car. And if you got a 6-volt battery, or if you got a lithium battery, there is the button mode there. Just press it and it will change the mode for you. As you can see over here on the side, this charger will optimize your battery, will diagnose your battery, will recover your battery, and it has the memory saving to this battery. So next time, just in case if you lost power and it was charging the battery and the battery was at 70% and the power came back up, this charger is not going to start all the way back from zero. It's going to start where it left off at 70%. This is the best chargers that I recommend for everyone and what I sell. Now, if you don't need a 10 amp charger, an 8 amp charger, a 15 amp charger that you see in the market, these chargers are made to charge your battery within maybe an hour to 2 hours. But if you're somebody at home, you don't want to charge your battery with 15 to 20 amps because your battery will get very, very hot, okay? And then if you forget it and the charger keeps on charging, your battery may get exploded. So to be safe, to do it right, to do it smart, you want to go in something in between. Not too slow, not too fast. Something is really good in between. It will cook your battery the right way, it will charge it the right way. That way you'll be happy. And hey, if I forgot to mention, this charger comes with a 5 years limited warranty, and they have excellent customer service in the US. Just call them up. All I found is good reviews on Amazon. If you want to check it out, check the links below in the comment. Check the links below and read the reviews about this charger. It has over 2,000 reviews, over 2,500 reviews. I'm pretty sure everybody's happy with it. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe now. Hit the bell notification button. Leave me a like. And have any questions for me, leave it in the comment below. If I missed anything, let me know. Also, leave it in the comment below. See you on the next one, and have a great day.